Students, we are going to start the chapter. Hello? My voice is very high. What does that mean exactly? It's very loud. You are saying it's very loud. It's very loud. Okay. So I will talk in a low voice. Is that okay? This voice is okay? This voice is okay? Okay. Can you all hear? We are going to start the chapter past tense today. Okay. We are going to start the chapter past tense today, and we are going to find out about the different forms of the past tense. Okay. Is it fine? My voice is fine? Usually I get complaints that your voice is too low. Today maybe it has got something to do with the mic. Okay, so past tense is used to denote action which has occurred in the past. And just like present tense, past tense also has the same forms. What are the four forms of the past tense? Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Let us talk about when to use which type of past tense. So, simple past tense is used to denote an action which has occurred in the past. Okay. It is used to action which is completed in the past, which has been completed in the past, or to express a habitual or regular action in the past. Okay. So, something which has already happened in the past, for that we use the simple past tense. And what is the form of the simple past tense? Simply the second form of the verb, V2. Okay. This is the second form of the verb, and this is the form of the simple past tense. When do we use the past continuous tense? This you have understood. Past continuous tense, we use it to denote an action which is going on at some times in the past. Okay. And what is the form of the simple past continuous tense? Was or were plus ing form of the root verb. Okay. This is the form of the past continuous tense. Right? Third is past perfect. The form of past perfect tense is had plus V3. Okay, had plus V3. It is used to describe an action which has completed in the past before certain point of time when another action begins. Okay. So, suppose two actions are being described in the past. One of the action has occurred in the earlier past and the other action has occurred in the later past. That means to denote an action which has already happened when another action in the past also happened. Okay, like if I say my mother had cooked a lovely meal when we came back from school. So, two actions have been described. One is their mother cooking a meal, and the second is when the children came back home. The first action has occurred in the earlier past when another action has occurred in the later past. For that particular case, we are going to use the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is also used to denote an action which has completed before a certain moment in the past. Like if I say I had sent or I had given the gift to her last Friday. I had sent the parcel to him last week. So if I am mentioning that before last week, on a particular time I am mentioning about an action which has completed, then also we are going to use the past perfect tense. Okay. Next is, can you see the board? Yes. Past perfect continuous. The form of this is had plus been plus ing form of the root verb. Okay. This is the form of the past perfect continuous tense. So just like present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense also has a specific usage. It is used to talk about an action which has started in it has occurred before a certain point of time in the past and it had continued up to that present moment. A continuous action which has started on a certain specified time in the past and it was still continuing on another time in the past when another action is happening. That means, suppose if I say my father had been baking a cake when I came back from school. My father had been baking a cake. That means he had started baking the cake say 2 hours from before that time and he had been baking the cake even at that moment when I arrived from school. So an action which has started or at an earlier past and it was still continuing at the moment when another action in the past is happening. For that particular purpose, we are going to use the past perfect continuous tense. So it has a very limited usage. We will not use it all the time. We are just going to use it when it is absolutely necessary. Okay. So past perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action that occurred before a certain point of time in the past and it had continued up to that moment and was still in progress. Okay. Then suppose the players had been playing for 3 hours when I reached the playground, or my friends had been gossiping for 2 hours when I reached the shopping mall. Like that we can say. Okay, so it has a specific and limited usage. We are not going to use it all the time. We are just going to use it for indicating actions which has begun in the earlier past and it is still continuing at the moment of speaking and it is progressing as well. Okay. Yes. Akash, please check the YouTube video just now, maybe a few minutes back you will find a video has been uploaded. In that you will find it. Okay. Rest of you also please check the YouTube video. Till this point all of you have understood, I hope. Again I will explain it to you if you have any confusion. Let us begin with the exercise because we have 4 minutes left. Just 4 minutes. We are going to rush and I am going to take 2 minutes extra because another teacher was taking, so I took 2 minutes a little bit. I started the class delayed, right, 2 minutes late. So I am going to take 6 minutes or 7 minutes more and then I am going to let you off. Okay students, let us begin the exercise of past tense. Come to page number 98. Be ready with a pencil. I am sure all of you are ready with a pencil. And let us begin the chapter past tense. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verbs in the simple past, past continuous or past perfect tense. So anything can be written according to the usage. She had felt excited about the vacation while she was telling me all her plans. Okay, had felt excited you can say, or what else can you see? Yeah, two actions of the past are being told. one of that had already been in her mind. That means the feeling of excitement had already been in her mind for a while when she was telling me about her plans. So I am going to use the past perfect tense for the first line. Okay. Or you can even write felt. Can't see the board. Why? Rest of you, can you see the board, students? What is the problem? Can you see the board, students? Now it's okay. Sharonna, can you see the board? Okay, so come to the next exercise. Exercise number B. Exercise number B. Ma'am, the background is covering the board. What background is there? What background is there? What background? I can't see any background. Has anybody changed the background? Let me find out. Anybody has done this out of you, students? Yeah, that is done by one of the students, okay, not by me, because I was taking the class. So maybe some student has done this. This is very wrong. Let me see. Just wait for a while, okay. And anyway, even if you can't see the background, please just wait for the class to be uploaded in YouTube. It will just be uploaded and then you can check it out. Okay, students, don't worry. I think some student has mistakenly added background because I was doing the class, so somehow it got added. Okay, Sharana, don't worry. Exercise A I have completed. Exercise B, fill up the blanks using appropriate forms of verbs given in bracket. The tense form is mentioned in each sentence. Note that the sentence forms an interesting sequence. Yes. So, our time is over. I am just going to complete exercise B. It is very easy. All of you will be able to solve it on your own. It is written already, you have to write it in the past tense. There was a beautiful shrine that stood beside the hill. Number 2, visited. Number 3, played. Number 4, was preparing. Number 5, was arranging. Good? All of you have done this? Okay. exercise C, you have to change it into the, I think I have done this exercise with class 7 fur, because this seems very well known to me. Anyway, let me just help you a little bit. Okay, exercise C, I am going to do it in the next class. Okay students, today we are not going to take any more time. So thank you students, and if you were not able to catch the board work, please check the YouTube video for it. Okay, bye students.